Hi, so today I'm going to be making one of our holiday favorites, and we make this for Thanksgiving and Christmas. I'm going to be sharing my stuffed mushroom recipe, which everyone in our family loves. So I hope you'll join me in this, and let's get started. I want these to be in little teeny tiny pieces. This is a pound of Jimmy Dean sausage. I will be probably only using, maybe a quarter pound. While the sausage is cooking, I'm going to start prepping the mushrooms and the garlic and onions. Alright, now that I have my garlic, my onions, some mushroom stumps, and a little bit of apple, I'm going to mix that together with some of the sausage. Now, mushrooms, they're pretty small to stuff, so you don't need a whole lot of the sausage. That's probably about half a cup. And basically, I'm just going to put it all in here. A little bit of apple, some garlic, and I'm just going to mix it up real good. Now you can add some cheese, some Gouda cheese would be good in here. I have some shredded Parmesan would be good in here. Now this sausage is pretty salty, so I'm not going to salt it. But I do have some Parmesan cheese, some grated Parmesan. So I'm just going to put a nice liberal amount in there, mix it up. That looks really good. And then I'm just going to stuff the mushroom with it.